Sa huling araw ng oral argument sa kaso ni Senadora Laila de Lima, ginisa ng mga maestrado si Solicitor General Jose Calida sa batayan po ng pagsangkot ng gobyerno sa Senadora sa bilibid drug trade. Saksi si Lia Manyalak del Castillo.
Matapos sa abogado ni Senadora Laila de Lima noon, sa Solicitor General naman sumentro ang Korte Suprema kanina. Giit ni Solicitor General Jose Calida, sangkot si de Lima sa bentahan ng droga sa bilibid. Tanong tuloy ni Associate Justice Marvic Leonen, hindi ba napag-initan si de Lima?
The priority of this administration, as far as I know, Your Honor, is to curb and curtail the proliferation of drugs in the Philippines.
Okay.
De Lima was not singled out, Your Honor.
Ipinunto rin ni Leonen na dapat personal na alam ng isang saksi ang alegasyon at hindi hearsay lang. Sabi kasi ng ilang nag-abot ng pera, sinabi sa kanila ng taga-kubra ni de Lima na para sa senadora ang koleksyon.
Would you say that all of them are on the basis of personal knowledge?
I would like to believe so, Your Honor.
So when a drug lord inside the bilibid says, sinabi sa akin ni ganito na ibibigay ito kay de Lima, that's personal knowledge?
But that was confirmed, Your Honor.
Really? I read every affidavit that is contained there, and it was difficult for me and my staff to actually create a timeline where there was a corroboration of substantial points.
Si Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno naman, inusisa ang Solgen kung hindi ba sakop ng Sandigan Bayan ang kaso. Sandigan Bayan kasi ang may sakop sa mga may matataas na posisyon sa gobyerno at hindi naman daw magagawa ni de Lima ang akusasyon kung hindi siya Justice Secretary noon.
If she were an ordinary person, she could not have, assuming that the charges, that the facts are correct, she could not have conveyed to anyone, I will transfer you to Iwahig, I will transfer you to Davao, I will transfer you here or there.
The office of the Secretary of Justice is not a constituent element of the crime charge.
Habang si Associate Justice Mariano del Castillo, pinukpok ang Solgen sa aligasyong nakipagsabwatan si de Lima.
That is only your conclusion.
Yes,
What
Your
is your proof that it was the petitioner who induced these high-profile inmates to conspire with her to commit trading in illegal drugs?
Well, that is the ultimate fact, Your Honor. They conspired with each other.
What's your proof of that?
At this stage, Your Honor, with all due respect, this is not yet the time to prove all of these allegations in the information, Your Honor.
Ako si Lia Manyalak del Castillo, ang inyong saksi.